coffee, sit back and relax as we create something new with my crafting crew. Monty Python, my crafting king. Pudgy, my little crafting queen. Tink, my chaos coordinator. And sassy Miss Peaches too.
Happy mail. I've already partially opened it. This is my answer to the fancy putty pickers that are being sold nowadays. I don't want to spend $30 or $40 on something just to pick putty out of my canvas. So a friend of mine had told me about this. She got hers, I think, at Walmart. I actually went and got mine on Amazon. It was basically the same price, but it has a seam ripper on one end and has a putty picker on the other end. And it was less than $7, I believe. So for less than $7, you can get one too. And this is called the Dritz Seam Fix Tool. And like I said, it has both the stiletto awl on one end and the seam ripper on the other end. And it has the nice covers to protect it, to keep you from poking yourself with either end. So check it out on Amazon. You may like it. Unboxing for you today, and it's from Art DIY Studio, and it's a Wood Gem Minis kit. And the name of it is America 250, because we're celebrating America's 250th birthday. So let's get into it. So first are your drill pack. A lot of those colonial colors of reds and blues and tans and whites. We have a toolkit. Looks to be a standard toolkit. Let's take a peek. And it is your standard stick pin, pad of wax, a little tray. They do give you a couple multi-placers, looks like a 4 and a 7, and then a little squishy. And I won't use those, so I'll set those aside and I'll take them to the retreat that I go to next month, RVA Sizzling Summer, and see if anybody there would like them. And then they do give you a couple of baggies. And a little thank you for choosing us, with instructions on how to diamond paint. Now let's see what I got. They are wrapped very well. The whole box came bubble wrapped, so it was very secure. All right, so the first one looks like it says 1776 to 2026, so celebrating the 250 years. And it's got a little, maybe a cake on it. And this one has the 250, plus it has a little house, 4th of July. This one says America 250. It has a little sheep on it. Isn't he cute? And then the last one says 250 years. Got a little rainbow with stars, red, white, and blue, and some flowers up here, and says Independence. So let's peel this back. And it is sticky, but you always have to lay drills down to find out if the glue is really good or not. But I'm looking forward to doing these. I'll probably kit those up right away and maybe do them on the 4th of July. And that'll be my celebration of America's 250th birthday. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And I'll put the link down below to the Art DIY Studio shop in case you're interested in ordering these for yourself. So I want to kit this up to take with me to the RVA Sizzling Summer Retreat that's happening. And I leave in a couple of days. But I found a problem when I went to kit it up. I didn't have the inventory sheet. So I reached out to customer service and talked to them about it and found out that I could get it in a PDF form. So they emailed it to me, and I've cut this out, and I will use this as my legend. And I'm just going to number it when I cut up. And I'll just use my kit here that's already numbered. So let's go ahead and number that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the kit has 7 different colors and has 15,376 drills. And we have all 4 of our wooden stamps. So I'm excited to take this with me and get this done. So we're gonna start kitting up.
LED lights and a playlist on repeat. Color-coded dreams laid out in front of me. Pick up the pen, line up the shine, every little gem falling into line. Then I hear those paws coming down the hall, little zoomies, I can't focus at all. Monty Python with a curious stare, Pudgy's already in my chair. Tink's got some diamonds and she's making a run. Try to stay focused but they're too much fun. Peach just strolls in like she owns the place. Honorary Boston with a diva face. It's Crafterita's crew, yeah, we sparkle all night. Diamonds on the canvas, everything feels right. Monty Python watching like he runs the show. Pudgy taking over, Tink won't go slow. Peach is in the middle like she's one of the pack. 4 little sidekicks and they've got my back. We're a little chaotic, but the vibe is true. Every masterpiece starts with this crew. Tray full of colors, pinks and blues. Tiny little pieces I don't wanna lose, but Pudgy sighs and climbs on in. Guess we're crafting close again. Monty Python judging every move I make like he's got notes I should probably take. And Tink's over there with a sparkle stash, turning my setup into total chaos. Peach is about to gem like it's her game. Pretend she's innocent, but we know her name. I should be stressed, but I'm smiling instead. This is the life I love, no doubt in my head. It's Crafterita's crew, yeah, we sparkle all night. Diamonds on the canvas, everything feels right. Monty Python watching like he runs the show. Pudgy taking over, Tink won't go slow. Peach is in the middle like she's one of the pack. 4 little sidekicks and they've got my back. We're a little chaotic, but the vibe is true. Every masterpiece starts with this crew. Maybe I'll finish, maybe I won't. Maybe they'll scatter the ones I want. But every laugh and every mess feels like a kind of happiness. Monty Python, king of the scene. Pudgy chillin' like a crafting queen. Tink's got energy I can't deny. Peach is supervising from way up high. 4 little stars in my DIY sky. It's Crafterita's crew, shining so bright. 4 best friends by my side every night. Messy table, but my heart feels full. Every moment colorful and beautiful. Yeah, the art might take a little more time, but this kind of love is the real design. So I'll keep placing one by one with Crafterita's crew. This is my kind of fun. The mailbox rattles, here it comes again. Happy Meal arriving from my favorite crafting places. New drills, new trays, new canvases to start. Diamond painted magic shining straight from the heart.